Alright, hey y'all. I just wanted to take a little walk today to show you grounds here. We have some ducks here and a beautiful pond and just very relaxing. So this is at the KOA in Wytheville, Virginia. Just a nice little campground. They have a lot to offer here. They have like a fun center, what they call a fun center. They have several things in there and I'll show you that. And they also rent out golf carts. Those are kind of expensive, but they are on a daily basis where you can rent those out, drive around the park. And they just have a lot to offer. So I'm going to show you a little bit around and I hope you enjoy. Of course, got to get a selfie with the horsey, right? Of course, the sun's in my eyes, so I can barely see. And I just see over there, that's the fun center I'm talking about. Playground there for the kids. And of course, the dumpsters are up there. I'll go over here and see if I can get a little bit of the ducks. I could just sit here and listen to this all day, honestly. You see they have a little picnic table over there where you can walk out and sit down on the little dock. They do have fishing here. It is catch and release. This is the laundry room here. We got 3 doors. And then they have the 3 washers. Tiny but efficient. Then you have a little patio here that's off of the laundry room behind the office and little store that they have here. Along with your propane. Those are the wagon sites. But you do have the shelter here and the pool. Alright, so you have the office there. That's where you come in at. And that's your family fun center. Then we go here in the family fun center and do a little bit of video. As you see, they do have seating out here. So I just want to show you a little bit around. So you see they have the bowling there. And your shoes there. And look at this. Isn't that amazing? A batting cage? Really? This is like amazing, guys. That is just, you can't go wrong here. Skee ball. Love skee ball. And in all of the video games. Too cool. So what do you think, guys? Is that like awesome? We've never been to a KOA that is like this at all. I mean, we've been to where they're like resorts and stuff and holidays or whatever, but this is amazing. So definitely check it out if you're in the area of Wytheville, Virginia. And they do sell food here. Pizzas, they also deliver it to your site. And yeah, I mean, this is just amazing. Whenever they said this on the website, I was just like, yeah, whatever. But to actually see it, it's really neat. Guys, that used to be like my favorite game when I was a kid. I spent so much money and rarely got anything. All right, guys, so that was your family fun center. And then they have a playground. I believe they have a putt-putt over here. Let me walk over here and see. You can see the putt-putt down there. So yeah, who doesn't get a slushie? And they have slushies. That's bringing back times. You have the rock mining for the kids.
It's got a sign right there before I get on the highway for that. It's called the Back of the Dragon, and that's what all these people come up here for.
We was here about a week. Very nice campground. We had a nice set up, and as you can see, this is our view when we were sitting out, well, kind of when we were sitting outside. Not really because of the way that we were, but you could hear the water running. That was very nice. Decent sized campground, lots to do here for the kids. We had full hookups. We had cable, picnic table, fire pit. We did have a back end. They do have pull-throughs here. Quite a few pull-throughs. They have different sections, like they have a section there across the little pond there. They have the section where we were, a couple of sections up that way by the office. They have laundry facilities. They have a family fun center. They have putt putt up there, and then they do have pool, playground for the kids, dog walk, the whole bit. So it's a very nice place, very pleasant office staff, pretty much easy to get to. And the pond here, I do want to add that the pond here you can fish. It is a catch and release. As far as license, I don't know. I forgot to find out, so that would be something you want to check. And folks, they do, I think every night they have actually packed out the house. So pretty empty today, but they do pretty much pack out. All right, we hope you enjoyed the review here, and we do thank you for watching. All the information for the KOA here will be in the description down below. You can also find it on the KOA app, and as always, make every day a new adventure.